Hey everybody, just here to provide a little assistance with the assignment. I know that some of you are seeing this for the first time, this HTML5 and these programming languages. So just keep everything simple and do your best. That's all anyone can really ask. For this assignment, you're going to start creating a web page. And if you reviewed the playlist of videos from the lecture page, you'll know that at the very end there was something called a style sheet, a CSS, a style sheet that you're going to add and make your website a little more inviting, so to speak. So the most simplistic way is to use a text editor, and I state Notepad because the majority of people are on a Windows-based computer. So Notepad is part of the Windows-based computer. If you're on a Mac, you may wish to look for your text editor. So you open your search option and you just type in Notepad and it'll come right up. On the tutorial videos, the gentleman uses Notepad Plus, and if you'd like to download this and use it, by all means do it. If you're going to be working in programming, it might behoove you to find a programming editor that you like. So I'm just going to open this Notepad application and start typing my HTML5 code. Boom, bam. So there were specific things that were asked for in the assignment. You had to have some navigation. You had to have a header, a title, some headings. There are the headers and headings are two different things, so you need to make sure you understand that. You need to have your body, and that's what's inside. Actually all of this stuff is inside the body. So and then you need a footer, and your document needs to be saved as HTML5, and then you will submit your document here in the assignment. So let's go back to this Notepad application, and you can see I've started my HTML5 coding. I have a header which comes in, and then I have my title, and I have some links here, and I have my body of text, and I have header 2 and a header 3, and I have more than my minimum of 3 paragraphs, but I also added a couple of things. I added an image, and in this image I went to the old school HTML and I put a spacing around the image, so the words didn't butt right up to the image. Now this particular component right here, this alignment and spacing, will be taken care of in the style sheet, so it can be removed here once the style sheet is completed. I also added a little line to space off my header and my footer. So let's go ahead and save this and see what it looks like. So we're going to go File, Save As, and once the Save options appears, you're going to state where you're going to save this document. I'm just going to throw it on the desktop, and of course you're going to place your name on the document and probably what class you are in and what the assignment is. So now if I select save right now, it is going to save as a .txt. This is not what I want, so I'm going to go to my drop down feature. I'm going to select all files and put at the end here, I have to actually manually type HTML and then select save. So all that good stuff is saved. So let's minimize, find our little document right here, right click on it. I'm going to open it with, go ahead and use my Firefox, and looky there, this is my little title, my header, so I know that's really my headers. I see some things that need to be corrected. This line should probably come up over under Into Your Dreams. Other links should come down. These are corrections I have to make. Here's my header 2 and my header 3. Here's my image with the padding around it. Here's all my paragraphs. And here is a line and my footer. So here's what I see. I need to make a correction here. This needs to be moved above other links. So let's just go back to the document, find that piece of the puzzle. So here's my other links right here. And here's my little line. So let's just copy that and remove it. And I used my shortcut keys of Control-C for copy, Control-X to cut it. And I'm going to move it right down below this wonderful first header. And we're going to save this and open it one more time and see how it looks this time. All right, so let's right click, open with, and we'll open it with Firefox once again. And there it is, the line's moved, the links are there, everything looks handy dandy. That's how simple it is, folks.